So, today we're gonna talk about Pisco.
I love it. I'm here for it.
What is
Yeah.
Pisco?
So, there's a big controversy on how Pisco started. There's fights and battles and arguments about if it's Chilean, if it's Peruvian. Truly, I'm not gonna get into this argument because I like drinking, and even though both countries claim it as their national spirit, just embrace it. This is gonna be a traditional, pure puro. It's made with the quebranta grape. So let's try it. Let's see. We're gonna make some cocktails with it, for sure. But let's see. So this is what would be considered brandy from South America. This is made from grapes. There's four main kinds of pisco. You have your puro, aromática, aromática, mosto verde, and you have acholado, which is a blend. I believe the second one, aromática, has to be made from the variety of muscat grapes. This is made with quebranta grapes, which is a puro. There's a lot of stuff that goes into how it has to be made. For example, it has to be made in a pot still. It has to be bottled at the strength that it comes out of the distillation process. And you cannot add, of course, any additives. It has to be aged in any sort of vessel that would not impart any flavor like wood and stuff. It has to be like glass, stainless steel, or something like that. You can't use any barrels. Wow. Sorry.
This is lovely.
It's lovely. So the nose I get has this sweet nose with a funky flavor.
It's
You know,
like funky floral.
funky floral would be a great.
Everything I want the 70s to be in more.
I do kind of get like mushroom and pears, kind of like the funkiness.
Yeah. I'm trying to. So I feel like Pisco is so clean that it's hard to pick any like out there flavors. You know what I mean? Like very. I don't know if you get anything else, but I do get that sweetness from the grape, floral minerality. I don't know if you see.
I get like a lot of like floor notes,
Yeah.
like what you find like on a horse lore. So like, I'm not trying to pinpoint to like mushrooms.
Yeah.
But I do kind of get like the herbal tones through this.
Also, we're gonna incorporate this. Oops, we're gonna incorporate Suze. My friend from Suze was kind enough to give me this bottle so we could use it and talk a little bit about it too. So we'll do that a little bit later, but Suze. Amazing. So this is Gentian root liqueur. I'm pretty sure you knew that already. I'm excited about this. All right, so let's make cocktails. We're gonna start with Reggatta de Blanc. I've never done this cocktail before, but it sounds lovely, and we're gonna incorporate Suze, which, thanks to my friend Jess, she provided me that bottle. I love Suze, and so we're gonna make two cocktails with Suze. Starting with this one, we're gonna do 1 ounce of Suze. Beautiful Gentian liqueur. One ounce. Overflowed. I'm
It happens to the best of us.
I'm nervous. 1 ounce of Pisco. Machu Pisco. We're gonna do 1 ounce of Sauvignon Blanc. Now we're gonna do 1 ounce of our apple brandy from Copper and Kings. So this is aged. Now it's finished in Kentucky bourbon and New American oak barrels. Finished in Kentucky bourbon and New American oak barrels.
Okay.
That sounds confusing. Like it was in bourbon barrels, like used bourbon barrels and brand new American oak barrels. I don't know. Anyways, 1 ounce. Quarter of an ounce of heavy syrup. Some ice. always to the top.
Look at that stir. Beautiful form.
That technique.
Flawless stir.
So we don't have grapes, but we do have Jolly Rancher Sour Patch style apple flavored gummies. So let's see. It's insane. I don't know, I don't know if it's the gummies or what it is itself, but it tastes.
It's so pretty.
It smells crazy, right?
It smells amazing. So apple, so candy, so perfectly balanced. Can I try it?
Yeah, go ahead. It's good.
The Suze is beautiful. So lovely and so delicate. And that
This is
Pisco just
amazing.
balances it so well.
And I love the mouthfeel, the texture.
The viscosity,
The viscosity is
yeah.
amazing. But I thought initially that the nose was gonna be like but
I almost
the
love
nose
that the
is
nose
the-
is so sweet.
yeah, and it's amazing. It like the Pisco perfectly balances the apple brandy. Then the Suze brings that bitterness. It's beautiful. I love it. And the Sauvignon Blanc, I don't know, it just incorporates it. It's dry, sweet, all sorts of
Everything
like
is
bitter.
so perfectly balanced
It
and
touches
so
every part of your
complex.
taste. Try it, see what you think. It's nice.
Yeah, that's very rounded in sweetness.
Very nice, right? I feel like it touches every part of your tongue, like the tasting parts of your tongue, like the bitter part, the sweetness, the tartness, everything. I don't know, it's pretty interesting.
Yeah, like it's very like complex in terms of like the total experience, kind of like how the texture is.
If you haven't tried this, you should make it.
Yeah.
Right, guys, we're gonna move on to the Suzie, which has a very similar profile to the. You want to wear it? Just in case. Okay, has a very similar take. This one, so it's very similar, but it's a taller drink. Still has Suze, of course. Beautiful people from Suze, and pineapple. I'm gonna start with 1.5 ounces of Pisco. .25 ounces of the star of the episode, Suze. .25 ounces of syrup, heavy syrup. 1.25 ounces of pineapple juice, and half an ounce of Sauvignon Blanc. Fill it up with ice. Okay. And once again, because I don't have pineapple, we're gonna use pineapple sour gummies. Let's give it a taste. Oh man. Ah. This is so good. This is gorgeous. Should make these cocktails more often. This is amazing. Absolutely. Let's move on now to the super traditional, always classic Pisco Sour. Let's do 1 ounce of lemon. 1 ounce of heavy syrup. 2 ounces of Pisco. We're gonna use pea foam as our foaming agent. Not egg white. I love egg white, but today we're doing a little bit of a vegetable vegan approach. A little bit more so we can get a good head. I'm gonna do a dry shake. You know what? I want a really, really fine strain. Good. I mean, I love egg whites, but the beautiful thing of not using egg whites is that you don't have organic, you know, animal things, and you can simply rinse everything like you do normally without having to be careful with adding animal perishable stuff. I'm gonna do some Angostura bitters. Boom, beautiful. Cheers. Oh man. This is delicious. Oh my God. I love Pisco Sours. I had forgotten how much I love them. Oh.
So not as tart as I'm used to.
No. But American sours are typically a little bit on the sweeter side. The public likes it like that.
The height location does not have a contrast.
There's like this lovely valley effect of this Pisco in here.
Valley effect, so like those take you through a trip of like up and down.
And it allows an opportunity for the sweetness and the sourness to play in the middle. And this like little like, if you see it as a shape, it would be like a, start from the top and then like a bloop, 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 and then up again.
What do you think, Kevin?
Tastes like shit, to be honest.
It's fine.
You're fired.
Not everybody's destined for greatness.
No, it's really good. It's really balanced. It still has like a wininess to it though. It's really weird.
So it's because Pisco is brandy. It's made from grapes.
I didn't know that. I didn't know that actually.
Yeah.
That definitely comes through.
Well, thank you everybody for watching. This is it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to subscribe, give us some comments, and tell us if you want to see something specific, something special. Thank you for watching.